everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this makeup look for spring using the lipstick in the shade called Snapdragon. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I did is I took the eyeshadow in the shade called Pixie Dust and I applied that all over my eyelids to act as a base. And then I went in with the eyeshadow in the shade called Violet Vixen and I applied that just a tiny little bit, like I barely tapped the brush in the pan, and I applied that on the lid as well, and then I applied a little tiny bit more into the crease. Then to highlight my eyes, I used the eyeshadow in the shade called Innocence, which I applied to the brow bones and the inner corners of my eyes. And then to finish off my eyes, I applied the Lash Project mascara and I did about 3 coats of this. And I skipped eyeliner, but I feel like if you wanted to use eyeliner, eggplant would be perfect for this makeup look. Now, moving on to the lips, I started out by taking the lip liner in the shade called Dusty Rose, and I went ahead and I lined my lips with this, and I also filled my lips in with this lip liner as well. And then right over the top of that, I applied the lipstick in the shade called Snapdragon. And these two together are like the perfect match. Then to finish off my lips, I applied the lip gloss in the shade called Dancing Princess, which just adds a little sparkle and shine, which I think is gorgeous. In fact, actually, I would say that all 3 of these together make a really beautiful lip combo. It's a little bit bold, but I think that it's actually super pretty for springtime, and sometimes it's fun to do a more colorful makeup look. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And until next time, take care. Bye!